In this video, we are going to understand a new feature of Oracle Integration 3 is to build your own custom adapter using a feature called Rapid Adapter Builder, otherwise known as RAB, R-A-B. So let's understand what that Rapid Adapter Builder is and how it can help. So what is Rapid Adapter Builder? So as you know, Oracle Integration offers numerous adapters out of the box to connect to various applications and simplify your integration experiences. So you have various adapters out of the box that are developed by Oracle with using software development kits, which is like a time-consuming activity. But for you, you simply have a wizard-based approach. You will provide the necessary details and your work is done. But behind the scene, the development team, Oracle development team has written a heavy code which makes this adapter available for you and which is also a time-consuming activity. It is not like they can build adapter in a day or so. Okay, but yes, there are 100 plus adapters as of now, which are available that you use to connect to various applications. But what if you have one applications and the adapter is not available? You say, hey, no, the OIC is not used for me. No. So to simplify the development process and bring the new adapters into the market in a faster pace, Oracle has built or launched a new feature called RAB, Rapid Adapter Builder, which allows you to quickly to build new adapters. And Oracle is using this RAB to build their adapters now. And that's the reason Oracle is launching so many adapters on a very fast pace these days. And good news is RAB is not only for Oracle, it is open to everybody to create their own adapters to meet their specific business integration requirements. You can also use the same. So Oracle is giving the same tool that they are using to build their adapters. Now, every customer, partner, developer who wants to build their adapters, they can use that framework called RAB to build their integration requirement, and it is very easy to build your own adapters. Maybe in 1 hour you can build that adapter if you know how it works. Very simple. So with the Rapid Adapter Builder in Oracle Integration, anyone can build their own adapters. Doesn't matter who are you. Maybe you are developer, maybe you are customer, maybe you're partner. You can use that. The only thing is, in case you are building the adapters for any application, that application should expose the REST APIs. And using those REST APIs, you can build the adapters very easily without having to write complex code from scratch. So Oracle gives the same tool to you, which they are using to building adapters. So in case Oracle does not provide adapters for your application, you can build your own application specific adapter using the REST APIs provided by the application team. Continuing on the same thing. So RAB offers all the necessary infrastructure. It is not like you have to download something, install something. But yes, there's something that you have to download on your laptop that we will discuss. And it's a very non-IDE, I can say, which you have to simply download. That's it. So RAB offers all the necessary infrastructure to build your own adapters for Oracle integration. And good news is it is free to use. You simply have the Oracle integration instance, which anyways you will have, but RAB is free to use. So your own custom adapters offer the same capabilities as an Oracle provided adapter, and you can implement behaviors similar to those available in the existing adapter, UI wise, functionalities wise, observability wise, monitoring wise, all are same. Nothing, no difference. So you can implement the same behavior as Oracle owned adapters provides. So OIC offers a Visual Studio Code. That is what I was talking about. So everybody knows about it. Visual Studio Code is an editor that every developer will have at least. If not, you can simply download it. It's like a very simple, or let's say very simple tool which you can download, and it's available. And you simply need to install an extension which allows you to build adapter. That's it, which is like a 2 minutes job to download that VS Code and then add the extension and start writing your own adapters. So which helps you to generate the code required to build an adapter. Using this extension, you can iteratively develop. It's not like you have to build the whole adapter at once. No, start with this small and iteratively refine your adapter as per the requirement and publish it in your own Oracle integration instance, which will not be available for others. You can develop it and install it in your own Oracle integration instance without any downtime. Why to build? Why you need to build your own adapter? So you can say, hey, Oracle is providing all the adapters. Why I need to take this, headache? So though you have, Oracle also provides technologies adapters like SOAP, REST, FTP, in case application specific adapters are not available. But the problem is you have to research. Everybody have to research on a REST APIs. Everybody have to, as a developer, they have to know about security mechanisms. They have to know the mapping and all. So any single developer can research and other developers can enjoy that research because they will use those research, convert that research into the adapter, and everybody use it. But so you can use those technology adapter, but yes, if you have your own adapter, that saves your lot of time. Okay. So now there are few scenarios in which you may need to develop your own custom adapters, like any OIC customer. Any OIC customers, any customer who is using OIC can use this. Existing customer can use RAB to build your own adapters and simplify the integration developers experience during the design time. For example, integration developers can create connections. They simply configure the endpoints and map the data without having to research and understand an application APIs and security policies. They don't need to research the APIs available if those APIs are available in the custom adapter. Partners. Any partner can build adapters for any application and make it available for any OIC customer to download and charge for the same. So you can monetize your own adapters also, but there's a process to monetize them. ISVs, independent software vendors, can also build adapters for their own applications and make it available for any Oracle integration customer to download and again monetize it. Like I mentioned, there's a complete process in case you want to monetize, but yes, you can. So now you are developing, customer are developing, ISVs are developing and monetizing them. Then where to locate your own custom adapters? So as a customer, if you are developing your own adapter and publishing it without any monetization, right? So that will be available under design adapter section. And then again, it will be available in your adapters list and you can use it. But if it is partner adapter, the partner adapter will be available in the store, meaning from the home page, you will see browse store, and then you can filter via adapter. From where you see the recipes there, you can see the adapters which are provided by partner, and that may be paid one. Okay. What is the difference between these two, predefined versus custom adapters? So predefined adapters and custom adapters offer nearly identical experiences to integrate developers for the integration developers. For example, the type of information that integration developers specify when creating connection is the same and monitoring capabilities are also the same. But remember some differences. Functionality wise, predefined adapters offer a rich experiences with the complete functionality that caters to a wide variety of use cases and are generally suitable for most audiences. But custom adapters are specifically targeted for a specific business use case. So it may not cater all the business requirements. User experiences wise. So when you use the adapter wizard, you may have more than 3 screens to configure multiple things. But when you develop your custom adapter, you will only have 3 sections on the wizard: basic information, configuration, and some. From the versioning perspective, the adapter follows the correspond OIC version nomenclature like 24.08, 24.10, 24.10. But here is not the case. The version numbers for non-Oracle adapters follow semantic versioning rules. So versioning number typically have 3 places such as 1.2.3. Maintenance and support wise, Oracle support the adapters, but yes, since you are developing your own adapter, that is your own code that you have to support. No one is going to support it. If it is partner owned, then of course partner will support it because you are paying for that. So that's all about this. And in further lectures, we can see, how do you start building your own adapters and what is the end-to-end process. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.